showing you how you can make a thumbnail for YouTube. So the thing is, you want to go to the App Store. Now you want to search Picture College, or you want to scroll down and it will show you Picture College Photo Editor. Now you want to download it quickly, and the next step, you want to download YouTube Studio. So you go to YouTube Studio, download it. Now what you want to do is get out. So first step is you want to go to Picture College. You want to get started. So if you want to make something, the thing you want to do is select all your pictures you wanted. So if I want to do this, like a thumbnail, so this is gonna be your thumbnail, guys. You can pick your thumbnail. After you picked all your thumbnails, this is what it will show you. All your pictures, not your thumbnails. So now you could size them, you could do anything with them. So I'm just putting this. So this is like how you can make it. Now the thing you want to do is just go here, go to text, put on how, or anything you want, like a video, Fortnite, a lot of wins. And then I'm gonna color it. You have to color it before you write it. So then it just looks like a thumbnail, guys. You guys see, you could do animation too. Like that. Crop, wiggle, spread, plus. There's the center, 3D, and stuff. So after you want to do is just put done. Now you want to do save to library. Quit this ad. Now after you want to go to your photos. Here. And then it will show you the thing that you just made, Fortnite, or it's not showing it, but yeah, there you go. And then now if you want to put it on YouTube, thing is you want to go to YouTube Studio that you just downloaded. You want to sign into your channel. Thing you want to do now is just go on here, go on this pencil, go on edit thumbnail, and then go on custom thumbnail, go on moments, and there you have it. There it is. You can put your thumbnail there. Right there. Select, save.
Don't be scared.
Save changes. Now you want to get out of there, go to YouTube.
Don't be scared.
You want to go to your channel. Now look, it's right there, guys. You guys see it? It's right there. So that's how you make a thumbnail. I hope you enjoyed this.